Hello everyone. It has been more than one year as I remember. I didn't upload any tutorial in YouTube. Anyway, I'm gonna start uh, uploading some tutorial. Recently, I'm planning to present project management tutorial using the Primavera Oracle. But before working in detail how to manage the Primavera Oracle, I need to give you a short exercise how to install standalone Primavera. After installing Primavera standalone, then we are going to uh, basic exercise uh, how to create the project management. Okay, I don't want to spend a lot of time. So you can see the screen here. I'm gonna guide you how to download. It is free. Yeah, free version. So you can go to this address, edeliveryoracle.com. First of foremost, you need to sign in first. Or if you don't have any account, then you have to create an account. In my case, I did creating account. I just sign in. Yeah, sign in first. Depends on your internet access. Okay, try using my account. Okay, once you arrive in this address, then you just type EPPM P6 Primavera Enterprise Project Management. Okay, there are 4 versions recently. Latest version is 23. Yeah, the latest version. Then we can click this link. So it is going to this this folder. This you can see this view item. Then you continue this. If you want to delete, if you want to download another item, you can select another. In this case, I just select the latest version. Just click this, continue. Then it is going to this address. We have to select the platform. In our case, I'm gonna choose the Windows platform. Yeah, the size is quite big, 1.7. Basically, the standalone version, it is not big size. It is more or less 200 or 300 megabyte. In this package, there are many applications we are going to discuss later on. But just continue this. Yeah, I will show you. Continue. Then we go through this. Click. Yeah, some of reference. Just forget it. No need to read it and continue. Okay, all this item will be downloaded. Yeah, not only standalone application in this package. There are many applications like Cloud Primavera also. Yeah, and then Enterprise Primavera Project Management. online cloud basis. Yeah, we're gonna download all these packets in one time. Just click download. Okay, it is going to our own folder. I will direct this uh, my folder. This. Okay. Actually, I downloaded already. I just simulate how to download it for your action. Okay, just click this. Okay, it will duplicate the existing. Okay, start. And we're going to here. Just double click this. So it will guide us how where the folder is. Okay, if you want to download this to our current folder, just navigate it to our own folder and this download item. Next, now it is running to download it, all the application. Okay. So you can see this. Okay, it is taking time, depends on your bandwidth. It can take 15 minutes or half hour. Okay, guys, uh, I'm gonna close this short tutorial how to download it. Next tutorial, we gonna discuss how to install it in our computer. Okay, thank you so much for watching it. Bye bye.